Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, nerds and nerdiettes, to another exciting episode of College Nerd. Today we have an incredibly important topic to discuss. So grab your calculators, put on your thinking caps, and let's dive right in. In today's episode, we'll be tackling the ever-so-crucial question, how do you pay your balance fee after getting admission? We've got you covered, my friends. But before we begin, make sure you've watched our previous video on how to log into your student dashboard. If you missed it, don't fret. Just click on the link in the description below and catch up. Trust me, it's worth it. Alright, now that we're all on the same page, let's get down to business. Once you've successfully logged into your student dashboard, follow these simple steps to pay your balance fee. Step 1, click on Post-Admission Services. Step 2, locate and click on Pay Balance Fee. Step 3, choose Pay Pending Fee. Step 4, scroll down and verify your details. Step 5, enter the amount you wish to pay. Step 6, click on the Proceed button. Step 7, on the payment page, select your preferred payment gateway and method. Choose whatever suits your convenience. Step 8, complete the transaction. And just like that, you're done. And voila! You've successfully paid your balance fee. It's as easy as acing a pop quiz. Now, before we wrap up, I have a small favor to ask. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. That way, you won't miss any of our future informative episodes. That's all for now, folks. Remember, stay safe, stay nerdy, and keep acquiring knowledge. We'll see you in the next mind-boggling, brain-boosting episode of College Nerd. Until then, take care and goodbye.